Hi there, this is Shannon and Michael with Bespoke Healthcare and Healthcare Genius, and today we wanted to talk to you about a new benefit that we're really excited about. In the past, we've talked about travel insurance and how important it can be, and now that things are opening up a little bit, people are traveling more, this new product coming out couldn't come at a better time. Michael, do you want to kind of tell us about what to look for and why we're excited?
Yeah, exactly. So I traveled quite a bit this year, and even at the end of last year. And one of the things that I don't leave home without it, American Express card, right? And international health insurance, because while your health insurance that you have here in the United States may cover you for an accident or illness that occurred when you're out of the country, you're still going to, in most cases, have to pay out of pocket for that. So we purchased a policy that covers us from the first dollar for anything from an accident to sickness, and you can purchase a long term up to a year for that. But what's exciting is we have this site that is going to be, right now we've got one company that is Tokyo Marine, and they've got different options that you can choose from again, that health insurance or trip cancellation, because we know with what's going on right now with Delta, that people now are apprehensive again, maybe to travel, or maybe they can't and they have to cancel a trip. So there's trip cancellation on there. We also have another company that you'll see on the site that we have that we're going to link to. But the idea here in the near future is we're going to have a site where we have multiple companies. So almost like an Amazon type experience for travel, accident, and health insurance. So we think this is going to be really exciting for companies, for individuals, to be able to access, to find the best fit for them and their family.
Yeah, I mean, you might be going on your first vacation with your family that you have been on in 2 years. It's a 2-week vacation, you know where you're going, what you're doing, you know that you only need coverage for those 2 weeks. Or you might be someone like Mike who wants to pick up and go to Mexico every few weeks and doesn't want to have to worry about it, so wants to find a policy that will cover him anytime that he's gone over the next year. So it's really nice to have the different options, not just one option. Sometimes people ask, what are the odds that something would happen? Just think of it this way. If you're in a foreign country, you might already have a language barrier, you might be there for the first time, and something bad happens, you end up in a hospital, you already have enough to worry about. The last thing that you want to do is figure out how in the world you're going to pay for, a $20,000 shoulder surgery from when you were ziplining and something went wrong, right? So you've already got enough things to worry about. The last thing you want to worry about is your medical bills. So these policies are really great for any time that you're leaving the country, when your health insurance either won't cover what you're doing or won't get you money until way after you need it.
Well, and Shannon, one of our good friends has a high deductible plan, but a couple of years ago, his son was going on a trip up to Iceland, and 18, he gets up there, he's got some pains in his side, goes to the urgent care, he's got an appendicitis. They have to remove his appendix up there.
Yeah, and you can be on the most relaxing, low-key vacation in the world, but when your appendix is ready to burst, like it doesn't matter, right? It's gonna happen.
That's right, he had no choice. But what was great was that he had that coverage. It paid everything for him. Up there was about $4,500 for them to do that, which is, I think, a lot less than would have been in the United States. But he didn't have to pay a dime out of pocket, and more importantly, he didn't have to go towards his high deductible, because he would have had to pay for the whole thing. So check it out, give us your feedback. We'll update you when we have more companies on there, but you can start with what we have now, and we hope it's valuable. Thanks, and have a great day.
Thanks.
Happy traveling.